Hey guys, what is up? Today I'll show you how to fix a Vanguard error Van 57 now and forever with one simple fix. All you have to do is close out of the League of Legends, the Riot client, exit the Vanguard also, or you can leave it on. Click on search, open run or type in run here, click enter and type in this services.msc. Click OK, wait till it opens this. Once in here, click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Once you're here, double click on it, it will open. In here it says startup type. From manual, switch it to automatic, not automatic delayed start, just automatic. Click apply, click start, and click OK. And then close out, and then launch League of Legends. It's updating and it should work now. Click play. And this should fix it like forever. So it should be like a permanent fix. If you have any problems, type them down in the comments. I'll gladly help with what I know. Let me just load this so you guys see it works. And it's closed. And you see it works. That is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have problems, comment down below. See you in the next one. Hopefully this helps. Bye.